The NextGEN Gallery plugin allows users to upload a collection of photos to your website and organize them into a gallery. First, let's create our first gallery using NextGEN Gallery. You can actually create a NextGEN Gallery from any page or article editor, but for the sake of this tutorial we're going to keep it as simple as possible and start from the dashboard. Find the NextGEN Gallery item on the dashboard menu and navigate to the Add Gallery/Images page. You'll be presented with a page asking you to select which gallery you want to upload photos to. Since we have not yet created a gallery, the only option for us is to create a new gallery. I've entered the name New Gallery and clicked Create and Select. Once the new gallery is selected, click the Browse button to upload some photos from your computer and add them to the gallery. The progress is visible as each photo is uploaded and saved to the gallery. Once your photos have finished uploading, you can navigate to NextGEN Gallery, Manage Galleries to edit the gallery you've created or any of the photos included within. You'll notice that we did not at any point select a template or adjust any settings that determine how this photo gallery will appear on a page or within an article. That is because a single photo gallery in NextGEN Gallery can be displayed in various places, each with a different template. In this example, we will place our first gallery inside of an article named Dessert Photos of the Week. We'll assume this publication is highlighting some photos of a local bakery in the new article. In the block editor, you'll want to add a new block and search for the NextGEN Gallery. Once you've added the block and clicked Add Gallery, you'll see a page asking you to select which gallery, or galleries, you want to add to the page. Below that, there are a number of gallery templates available to choose from that will determine how your gallery will display. These templates include basic options for thumbnails, slideshows, and image browsers, as well as the paid pro versions of these templates. All are available to our hometown customers. Once you've selected a template, you can click the Customize Display Settings tab to further adjust the gallery settings. The basic thumbnails template is used to create this gallery. To display the same set of photos in a different format elsewhere on the website, follow the same process. In the article editor, click Add Gallery from a NextGEN block/toolbar and select your existing gallery of photos, then choose the format you want to display it.